learning some slang words and their meanings. So let's get started. The first word on our list is hangry. It's an adjective. It's a combination of the words hungry and angry. So hungry, you want to eat. Angry, you're mad about something, you're upset. You combine those and hangry. You're angry because you're hungry. Next, to binge watch. This is a verb. You watch a television program one after another. So for maybe 3 or 4 hours, you're watching television, one program. On Netflix, for example. Basic. Basic is like its original meaning. Simple. So we use this to talk about a person or a thing that's very unoriginal and simple. The person or a thing that's very common, very mainstream. The next word is stand. This can be a verb, to stand someone, or it can be a noun, stands. And what that means is a super fan of a musician, of an actor, of someone. And it comes from an Eminem song, his song that was called Stan. Fear of missing out, FOMO. So when you have fear of missing out, it means that you don't want to miss things that other people are doing. We usually use this when we're talking about social media. So you don't want to be off Twitter because you're afraid you're going to miss the news or the gossip, the interesting things that are happening, or that you'll miss information about an event that you won't know about, a party or something. And then we have an opposite of that, which is JOMO. So that is the joy of missing out. So this is when you don't go on social media on purpose because you want to do things you enjoy. You want to focus on things you really like and not be distracted by what other people are doing. So remember, it's FOMO, fear of missing out, and JOMO, joy of missing out. BAE, it stands for before anyone else. So this is a noun you use to talk about your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your best friend, your dog, whoever is really, really important to you is your BAE. What's your favorite word so far? Tell me in the comments. Okay, now I've got an adjective, swole. This is used usually for men, a guy that's really muscular. He's swole. Here's a verb, to clap back. To clap back is used, again, a lot of these words are used on social media. So to clap back means you have been insulted, and when you clap back, you're responding to that insult quickly. You're clapping back. You're responding to the insult. To throw shade. So to throw shade is to insult someone. But the interesting thing about this word is it's often very subtle. It's not an obvious insult. Maybe it even seems like it could be a compliment. So it's an insult, but kind of a hidden insult often. And continuing with the theme of insults and gossip and so on, we have to spill the tea. This is a verb. So this means to share gossip. You're talking about the newest news about other people. Similarly, receipts. In real life, receipts are the papers you receive, you get when you buy something. Well, receipts now also means that you have proof, you have evidence, for example, video, an audio recording, texts about something to prove you are right. So it's evidence. So someone has denied something, for example. They say, no, I never said that. But you have audio of that person saying that. So you say, I have receipts. Extra. Extra is an adjective. Extra is like the word's real meaning, or original meaning. A lot, too much, maybe. So here it is a bit negative. You're saying this person is too much. They're being exaggerated about something. A very extra kind of person. To ghost. This is a verb. It means that you stop communicating with someone suddenly. So usually it's when you have a romantic relationship and you stop texting, you don't take calls, you don't communicate with the person in any way. You ghost them. You ghost him or her. A side hustle. This is a noun. A side hustle is a second job, a job you do when you have time off from your first job. Goat. G-O-A-T. This is the greatest of all time. So it's often like an athlete, a very good athlete is a goat. And if you use it in social media, people put a little goat symbol. Which word did you like best? Leave me the word in a sentence in the comments. Did you like the video? Subscribe and hit like if you did. Also on Facebook and on Twitter. Bye-bye.